First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So I hope you have watched the previous video, that is previous revision class on the topic partnership, right? So there in the previous video, I have told you what are all the lessons that you have to learn, because I have posted a separate lesson on the topic partnership. So totally I have posted 9 videos. First 4 will be lessons and the last 5 will be practice sets. So I have told everything on the previous video, as well what are all the important concepts are there in the topic partnership. So investing, withdrawing, or as joining a business, leaving a business. So these 4 concepts are most major concept in the topic partnership, right? And then how to frame a equation and how to find the ratio value. After finding a ratio value, how to split the profit to all the 3 or 4% based upon the business, right? And also I have told you where usually students make a mistake in the topic partnership, because partnership is the easy scoring area in quantitative aptitude, but even though it is very easy, but there are a lot of chance of making a mistake while cancelling. So that's the reason I have told you in the previous video what thing you should not do in the partnership topic and how to cancel the values, right? So before watching this video, kindly do not forget to take the test. So I have given 40 questions that is on the topic partnership as a test inside the bank exam 2024 package. Below time and work, because previous video was time and work. So below time and work, now you can able to see partnership topic 40 question with all different kind of model. Kindly first take the test. Self-analysis is always important, whether you are scoring 40 out of 40 or only 10 out of 40 out of 10. So everything is important. Self-analysis is most important. Do not forget to take the test. And if you are preparing for the bank exams this year, do not forget to get the new version pen drive on our channel, where you will get all the pen drive videos so that it's easy to learn in an offline mode, right? You can directly call us and you can ask for the details. So now let me move on to questions that is on the topic partnership. First question. So Vimal and Amal started a business with the investment of 3,000 and 4,000 respectively. After some months, Dia entered into a business with the investment of rupees 3,000. At the end of the year, Vimal's share is 40% of the total profit of the business. After how many months did Dia invest her amount? See, totally how many persons are there in a business? Initially there were 2 persons. One is the person Vimal and second. So Vimal is there and the second person is Amal, right? So initially there are 2 persons. They started a business with the amount of how much? 3,000 and 4,000 respectively. That means Vimal is investing 3,000 and Amal will be investing 4,000. So now after some months, the person Dia entered into a business. There is a third person, new person called Dia. She is entering into a business after some months. So that month's duration is unknown. But what they are saying is investment is 3,000. So Dia is investing 3,000. Amal is investing 4,000. Vimal is investing 3,000. And just look at the question. At the end of the year. What is the meaning of it? At the end of the year. That means for 1 year they run a business. So we know that the person who started a business is Vimal and Amal. So they will be in the business completely for the complete 1 year. So into 12, right? Into 12 months. Why? Because for the complete 12 months, both the person are there in a business. But what about Dia? Dia was joined after some months, but we don't know how many months Dia was in the business. I think what is the question here is, after how many months did Dia invest in the, that is, after how many months he was in the business? That is our question. And they have given another small data here, Vimal share, right? So this person's share is 40% of the total profit. Right? So Vimal is getting 40% of the total profit. So these are the values they have given in a question. So first what you need to do is you need to find the ratio. That is our target, right? So first what we can do, we can cancel 30, we can cancel 30, 30 here. And do not cancel 12 and 12. Don't make that mistake. Why? Because if there is 12 here also, we can cancel it. Only for 2 part you should not cancel 12. If you are going to cancel it by 12, all the 3 you have to cancel it by 12, right? So now what I can do is 12 into 3 will be 36. So 36, 4 into 12 will be 48. 3 into x will be 3x. So now our target is to find what is the value of x. So now according to the question, you can see Vimal's share is 40% of the total profit of the business. So here we already know that Vimal is how much? 36. So 36, be careful, 36 divided by the total value. 36 plus 48 will be 84. So 84 plus 3x will be total. So out of total, 36 will be the Vimal share into profit. So friends, understood, or that profit is not given in the question. The total profit of the business is not given. But out of that total profit, where the Vimal share will be 36 part out of total. And this profit, what Vimal got is 40% of the total profit, right? Is equal to 40% of the total profit. So friends, understood. So now we don't know what is actually the profit is. So we can cancel profit and profit. Whatever the profit we are going to cancel it here, right? So we can cancel a 0, 0 here. I think again we can, or else we can multiply it. 10 into 36 will be 360 is equals to 4 into 84 plus 3x. So 360 is equals to 4 4s are 16, remaining will be 1, 32, 33. 33 plus 12x. So 12x is equals to, so 360, this will be 24. So 24, so x is equals to 12. So finally what we got is the value of x, which is equals to 2. So this means that we already framed the equation initially by putting a value of x as after how many months Dia joined, right? So now we got x is equal to how much? 2. So here what it means, Dia was in the business only for 2 months, because these two persons started a business and they were in the business for the complete 1 year, that is 12 months. So now according to the question, we framed x here, we substituted x here and we framed the equation. Finally we got x is equal to 2. That means the person Dia was in the business for 2 months. But what is the question here? After how many months did Dia join the business? We know the complete business has been run for a 1 year. So Dia entered into a business after some months. So now she was there only for 2 months. That means after 10 months, she joined in the business. That means the answer for the question is after 10 months, she joined in the business for the remaining 2 months. Only then we can say the total will be 12 months. So friends, understood? So answer for this question is after 10 months, the person Dia joined in a business. So friends, understood? So very important question, right? So this is the level of the bank exam. Many times I am telling this because you should not solve always an easy level question. Some difficult level questions are important. I won't say it's that much difficult level, but it's a medium level. You can able to find these kind of question on IBBS PO prelims exam itself nowadays, right? So friends, understood? So we got Dia was in the business for 2 months. So answer is not 2 months, because our target is to find after how many months Dia joined in a business. So after 10 months, she joined in a business for the remaining 2 months. That's the value we found x is equal to 2. Right? So answer for the first question is 10 months. Question number 2. So A started a business with the investment of rupees 6,000. After 4 months, B joined him with the investment that was 25% more than the initial investment of A. At the end of the year, A receives rupees 2,700 as a profit share out of total profit. Then find the profit share of B. So friends, first try to understand the question here. What is our target? Our target is to find what is the share of the person B. And what they have given us, A received 2,700 as the profit. The total profit of the business is not given. A's profit is given, which is 2,700. By using that, our target is to find what is the profit of the person B. And now A started a business. Only there are 2 persons in a business. One is A and the second person is B. So A started a business with the investment how much? 6,000 rupees. Right? And then after 4 months, B joined him. Just listen here, after 4 months only the person B joined. So from the starting till the end, A does not left the business, he was there in a business. So into 12, that means for the complete 1 year, he was in the business. So now according to the question, after 4 months, out of 12 months, after 4 months only the person B joined. That means from 12, if you subtract the first 4 months, remaining 8 months. So remaining 8 months, the person B was in the business, right? What is the investment of the person B? Which is 25% more than the initial investment of A. So what is the investment of A here? 6,000. And what is the investment of B? Which is 25% more. That means 125% of the amount what was invested by A. So 125% of 6,000 amount invested by A, and he was there in a business for the complete 8 months. After 4 months only, the person B joined the business. From the starting till the end, A does not left the business, he was there in a business. So into 12. So now I think at the end of the year A received, okay, so all the value we substituted here. So now we need to cancel it and we need to find what is the ratio value, right? So what I can do is, first we can cancel 20 here, and then we can cancel another 10 here. So similarly we can cancel it 6, as well as this can be written as 100, right? So now we can cancel it on 25 table. Be very slow on the cancellation part, do not make any mistake. So cancelling it on 25 table 4 times, cancelling it on 25 table 5 times, right? So now cancel on 4 table, 1 4s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 1 2s are 2, 6 2s are 12. Be very slow, right? So answer will be 6:5. Even in the bank exam, time management is important, right? Just be little bit slow while cancellation alone, because of time management, most students will make a mistake on this cancellation part only. All the remaining part is easy in the topic partnership. Only the cancellation part seems to be difficult for the beginners. So that's the reason I'm saying be little bit slow, and after that you can find the values fastly, right? So now we got the ratio of A is to B on their investment, that is 6:5. So now according to the question, A receives 2,700. So this person A, 6 part will be how much? 2,700. And now what is our target? Our target is to find what is the share of the B. So B is how much? 5 part. So 5 part is equal to X. So X is equals to 2700 into 5 divided by 6. That's it. So now we need to cancel it. So here we can 6 4s are 24. So remaining will be 3, right? 6 5s are 30. So 450. So X is equals to 0. 5 5s are 25. Remaining will be 2, 20, 22. 2250. So the share of the person B will be 2250. When you add both the value 2250 and 2700, that will be the total profit of the business. So by giving one value on one profit of the person A, and our target is to find for the second person B, right? So understood, friend? This area is alone important in the question. Yes. So this will be the answer for question number 2. Question number 3. So A, B started a business with the investment of rupees 4,200, 4,800 respectively. After 3 years, the person C joined the business with the investment of 4,000. At the end of 12 years, the profit of the business is 7,200. Find the profit of B. So when just see here, it's a simple question, right? Because all the value has been directly given in it. But remember one thing, the total business is run for how many years? 12 years, right? So, and many students usually ask this, even while teaching partnership also I have told you, always do not keep the value year as it is, convert into months. If it is 2 years, if the business has been run for 2 years, I won't write it as 2, I will write it as 24 because of 24 months. If it is a 1 year, I will not write it as 1, I will write it as 12. Why? Because if it is based on a, just listen carefully, if it is based on a year, if new person joining, right, or else one person leaving the business, that should not be in terms of month. If the business is run for 1 year, a new person joining after 2 months, then this person joining in a business in terms of month, and the total business is run for a year. So this value is in terms of year, this person joining in terms of month. So what I did is, I need to convert both the value either in terms of year or in terms of month. But here, according to the question, you can able to see the total business run for 12 years and the new person joining after 3 years, right? So this is also in terms of year. A new person joining is also in terms of years. So you don't want to convert into month because that is not needed. When you should convert into month, if the total business is run for 12 years, C joined in a business after 48 months. If you see those kind of questions, then it is based on years and new person is coming in terms of month. At that scenario, you have to convert the year in terms of month. So friends, understood? So now initially in the question there are 3 persons, A, B and C. So initially the 2 persons A and B started a business with the amount is how much? 4,200. So 4,200 is A and the second person is 4,800. So 4,800 is B. After 3 years, C joined a business. So these two persons from the starting till the end, they were in a business. How many years the business has been run for? 12 years. So into 12 into 12. And here the person C, what is the investment is 4,000. So 4,000 is the investment of the person C, and he joined in a business only after 3 years. That means out of total 2 years, 12 years, the first 3 years the person C was not in the business. So when you subtract 12 minus 3, resultant will be 9 years. So the rest of 9 years he will be in the business C. Right? So all the value has been directly given. So now we need to start cancelling the value. So we can cancel 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, right? So now cancelling it on 3 table, or else we can cancel it on, okay, first starting with 3 table. 3 3s are 9. So cancel it on 3 table. 4 3s are 12. Cancel it on 3 table. 4 3s are 12. So now we can cancel it on 4 table. So 4, 4. So here it will be 10, right? So finally we cancelled maximum numbers here. So now we cancel it on 3 table here. So cancel 1 3s are 3. So cancelling it on 3 table, 1 3s are 3, remaining will be 1, 6 3s are 18. So again cancel it on 3 table, 1 3s are 3, 4 3s are 12. So finally what is the ratio that we have for A is 14. So B that we have is 16, C we have is 10. So still we can cancel it on 2 table, right? When you cancel it on 2 table, 7 2s are 14, 8 2s are 16, 5 2s are 10. So finally we got the ratio 7 is to 8 is to 5. So now according to the question, what is the thing we need to find is, find the profit of the person B. So B's profit our target is to find. So B's part is how much? Out of total part 8 plus 5. So 8 plus 5 will be 13, 13 plus 7 will be 20. So out of 20 part, 8 part is for the person B. And what is the total profit they have given in a question? 7,200. So now we have to cancel it. We can cancel 0, 0. Again cancel it. 4 2s are 8. 4, 0, 8. 2800. So 2800 is the profit of the person B. So similarly, if we need to find for C, the numerator C. If we need to find for A, numerator is A. This part is easy, right? So everyone knows this part. I hope everyone can solve this area. So only this area and the partnership is important, because many students will say every question you convert it into months. So this also you should write it as 144. Why you are writing as 12? That's the reason I have told you, right? If a new person joining in a business or new person leaving a business is also in terms of year, then not at all a problem. You can keep all the values year as it is. But in case in a same question, here the question says C joined in the business after 3 years. But similarly, if the question like C joined a business after 42 months, if the same question is like this, so definitely I won't write 12 here, I will write it as 144, 144, because one value is in terms of month. The person who is joining in a business in terms of month. So I will convert the remaining is also in terms of month. So that will be the easy way to solve the question. So one's answer for this question, which question, third or second? Okay, answer for this question is 2880. Next question. So Arjun invested rupees 500 while Badri invested rupees 800 in a partnership business. After 1 year, Arjun withdrew rupees 200 while Badri withdrew rupees 300 and Keshav joined in a business with a capital of rupees 600. So find the profit share of Keshav if the total profit received by all the three after 3 years is 2050. So when just see here, the total business is run for how many years? 3 years, because at last they have given the total profit they have gained in a business is 2050 after 3 years. So the total business is run for a 3 years. Who started a business? 2 persons. Arjun invested 500 while the person Badri, right? So totally overall there is first person is Arjun, right? And the second person is Badri. And there is a third person who joined in a business. Let me talk about later on. But one new person joined in a business who is Keshav. So there are 3 persons in a business. So be very careful, because he is investing some amount and he is withdrawing some amount. So first you can see Arjun invested 500. So Arjun amount is how much? He invested 500. And the second person Badri invested is how much? 800. So this is their investment. Right? Initial investment of Arjun and Badri is 500 and 800. So now after 1 year, That means initially Arjun will be investing this 500 for 1 year. Badri will be investing this amount for 1 year. Why? Because after 1 year, the person Arjun, what he is doing is he is withdrawing 200 rupees. Out of 500, if he withdraws 200, the remaining amount will be only 300. And the total business that was run for 3 years, already 1 year gone. After 1 year, he had taken out 200 rupees from the investment. So remaining will be 300. So 300 he will be investing for the remaining 2 months. That is for 2 years. So friends, understood. So similarly, next is Badri. So after 1 year, for the first 1 year his investment is 800. So after 1 year, how much Badri is withdrawing? He is withdrawing 300 rupees. Out of 800, so now after 1 year, he have taken out 300 rupees. So remaining will be how much? 500 rupees. And remaining how many years? 2 years. For the remaining 2 years, his investment will be 500. And after 1 year only, the person Kesav joined in a business. So he will be there for the next 2 years. And what is the investment of Kesav? Is 600. So 600 for the remaining 2 years. So friends, understood? So these are more important, right? Because only if you know the basics, you can able to solve this question, because he is joining and withdrawing some amount. For the first year, this will be the investment of Arjun and Badri. After the first year, he is taking some amount outside. So out of 500, he withdraw 200 rupees. So remaining will be 300. And how many years remaining? Remaining 2 years. Why? Because the total business run for 3 years. 2 plus 1 will be 3. 2 plus 1 will be 3. And year only 2. Why? Because only after 1 year the person Kesav joined. So now what is our target? Our target is to find what is the profit share of the person Kesav, the last person. Okay. So first what we can do here is, this will be 500 and this will be 600. So ratio 800 plus 1000. So ratio 12,000, right? So now 600 will be 11,000. Just a moment. 1,100, right? So 1,100, 1,800, 1,200. So now we can cancel 20, 20, 20 here. That's it. We can't able to cancel it. 8, 11 is to 18 is to 12. So now what is the total profit? What they gained is 2,050. 2,050 is the total profit. And now our target is to find the Kesav profit. So Kesav is how much? 12. So 12 divided by the total. So this will be 30, 41. So 41 will be the total. Out of total, where the Kesav profit is 12 and the total profit will be 2,050. So we can cancel it. So now this can be written as 50 times, right? So 0, 5 2s are 10, remaining will be 1, 600. So total profit of the Kesav is 600. Out of 2,050, the profit share for the person Kesav was 600. So friends, very interesting question, right? Because these kind of question you have to solve if you are going for a bank exam. That's the reason I have said initially, write the test. Self-analysis is most important. Only then you can understand where you made a mistake, right? So this is the area you made a mistake. So you have to analyze it and you have to understand that this mistake should not be repeatedly happen on the next question. So only you can improve your speed as well as you can improve your question, how to solve it, right? That method will be keep on improving only if you solve more number of questions. Okay. So friends, this will be the answer for the next question. Next question. So P and Q started a partnership business with a capital of 15,000 and 12,000 respectively. After certain months, the person R joined with a capital of 45,000. After 1 year, the ratio of obtained by them is 2:5:2. After how many months did R invest its capital? So friends, what is a target? So totally there are 3 persons in a business, right? One is the person P, second is the person Q, and the third is the person R. So initially, according to the question, initially there were 2 persons, P and Q started the business. Only after how many months? After certain months. See, the total business is run for how many years? The total business is run for 1 year. And one person joined in the business, that in terms of month. So only I am converting this 1 year as 12 months, right? Understood. So now the P investment is how much? 1,500. 15,000 or 1,500? 15,000, right? And the second person Q investment is how much? 12,000. So now this person P does not withdraw any amount and he was there in a business from the starting till the end, so into 12, right? And similarly the person Q, after certain months only the new person joined, so Q was also there in a business for the complete 1 year, into 2. And what about R? After certain months R joined with the capital of 45,000. So R investment is how much? 45,000, but he was in the business only after some months, right? So definitely we can say 12 minus X. Either you can substitute X here directly, one way of solving a question, like what we did in the first question. First question is also similar model, but here we have substituted as X. Either way, right? Either you can write it as 12 minus X or X directly. Both are same. So now they have given another one value here. After 1 year, the profit is in the ratio 2:5:2. That means these 2% investment is equals to their profit. That profit ratio is also given 2:5:2, right? So 2:5:2. The profit ratio is also given. So now what is the target? After how many months the person are joined in the business? See, there are 3 value investment and the 3 ratio is also given. You can take any 2 to equate them in order to find the X value, right? What I can do is, I can take P is to R because that seems to be easy because the ratio is 2:2. So P is how much? 15,000 into 12. This will be the ratio for P. And what about R? R will be 45,000. So into 12 minus X, right, is equals to ratio 2:2. Because they have given 3 ratio value and our target is to find what is the value of X. So we can take any 2 in order to find the value of X, right? So we can cancel this. Ratio will be 1:1. So similarly, we can cancel 30 here. So we can cancel 30 here. So remaining value will be 15 into 12 divided by 45 into 12 minus X. The ratio is 1:1. That means 1 divided by 1. That's it. So this can, again we can cancel this. 1 15s are 15. 15 3s are 45. Again 1 3s are 3. 4 3s are 12. So the remaining value numerator we have 4 is equals to 12 minus X. So X is equals to 12 minus 4. Resultant will be 8. So finally we got the value of X is equal to 8. This is not the answer because 12 minus 8. So 12 minus 8 will be 4 months. That means what is our target? Our target is to find after how many months did R invest in the capital. Yes, because we got answer as 4. That means he was there in a business. The person R was in the business for 4 months. That means after how many months he joined? After 8 months he joined in the business. Answer will be 8 months, not 4. Answer is 8. Why? Because he was there in a business for 4 months. But what is our target? Our target is to find after how many months he joined in the business. So we can say out of 12, when you subtract 4, only after 8 months the person are joined in the business. So answer for this question is 8 months. So friends, understood? So still there are many questions. It's just a part 1. In part 2 I will be solving the next set of question on partnership. Before that I am saying do not forget to take the test, right? Write the test today itself. Only 99 rupees the aptitude test package what I have given it. So, seriously, even I can't able to, many students are asking offer for 99 rupees. I'm really sorry, it's very low price, right? 99 is very low. So I have given the test inside it. Purchase and start writing the test. 40 question with all the different kinds of model I have given on the topic partnership. Write the test and analyze it where you are making a mistake, and do not make the same mistake again and again. Rectify it, right? So friends, thank you so much for watching this video and see you in the next part, next questions, right? So thank you so much, and if you really like this video, share it to your friends, those who are preparing for the competitive exams. So thank you so much. Bye.